Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making Nam Khao, crispy fried rice. Let's start. I'm going to start with the rice here. I have about maybe 10 cups of cooked rice, jasmine rice. I have pork skin. Probably use 3 bags. Then I have somu, or the nam I made. You can also buy these at the store to make. Then I'm going to add some ground pork in it. And then I have coconut cream to put in. Red curry paste. And seasoning, I have my sugar, salt, and then MSG. And for garnishment, I have lettuce, romaine lettuce, some limes, cilantro, and chili pepper. Usually the best one is dried fried pepper, but I don't have any. We'll just go with red chili pepper. Now I'm going to put the rice in. We're going to start there. That and the can of coconut and the curry. New one. Coconut. I'm going to add, how about half first to see? Half can. So if I put that, and then the curry, it's going to be the cake topping. So taste some in. This, I don't know. I just kind of measure and taste, see what I think it's going to need. So that maybe 1, 2, scoop 2, 3. Right there, about 4 or 5 spoons, I would say that would be. Let me see if I might need some more. I'm gonna mix it, and I'm just gonna mix my pork. This pork is probably too much. I probably want to use half. We'll see. Let me look at it. And the rice is hot. Yeah, I'm just gonna use half of it. It's a lot, maybe like a pound and a half or something. Yeah, and the best part is you gotta mix it maybe with a glove. Probably it's easier. All right, now I'm just gonna kind of incorporate it, stirring it a little bit. Okay, remember the pork I had? I'm just gonna add it all. So, about like 2 pounds of pork there. And then curry, I probably need a little bit more. I think I wanted a little bit more red. I'm gonna put about maybe 2 spoons more. I think I need a little bit more. I like it a little bit more. This paste. I think this, the more you add spicy, so it just depends, you know. That's good enough. Kind of making a mess over here. Okay, it's ready to be fried. Okay, to start a Nam Khao, I'm going to start by frying. I'm not going to do like they do the traditional ball up and fry it. I just found this way, my own way, is faster and it's still as good too. During one time experimenting with my cooking, you know, because they put eggs in it, it kind of, the oil, it foams up and it's just get messy and dirty. And I was like, well, there's got to be a better way, you know. I just thought this works out better for me. It got the same results, so let's put it on. I think I might have got a little bit too much oil, but that's fine. And then press it down with a spatula. And then just let it cook. I kind of watch it until it turns brown, and I'll flip it. If you're not sure, you can kind of flip it and kind of check it. See, it's not, I know it's not, you know. You can kind of, might be a little bit, just give it a couple minutes. Okay, I kind of see it's kind of turning brown here, so I'm going to flip it. We'll see. We'll start with the section. I just cut into a pie. Kind of easier to flip a section. I don't think, but yeah, see how it's getting brown and crispy like that. That's how you want it. You want it more. I still want it more, a little bit crispy. I'm just going to flip it. And I'll just cook it longer. Kind of break it apart, loose again, start over for the other side. And then repeat the same process. Press it down and give it a couple and 5 minutes or so the other side. We're going to save time. Sometime I have another pan. I can start 2 pan, so it'll be done faster. So speed up my process. Do 2 pan. I need another bigger one. Sometimes I do, but it's good enough. I think this one's getting ready. Yeah, no, that's where I want it. I'm going to flip it one more time. If I don't flip it, I'm just going to go kind of mash it like this and let it cook a little bit more. See how crispy it gets? There we go. It's not quite burned. Burnt is fine a little bit, but you don't want to burn too much. It's not quite burnt. That's good. I'm going to start another batch. See? Good enough. Break it apart in here. That's it. Oh, yo. Okay, here's the fried rice I made. It's crispy, Nam Khao. Just divide it. That was probably like what, 10 cups, my pot over there. Here's a pork skin. Make sure you cook the pork skin and cut it. So it's got a little small one. I cut it. I think I used 2. I thought 3 was too much, but 3 might have been okay too, because I have some 2 package here. Okay, that's good. Half of this. Might use some more. Okay, MSG, about a spoon. This one have a little bit less than a full spoon. Salt, half of it. Oh, this one's a lot. Oh, it's okay. It's good. Sugar, spoon here. We'll taste it. Let me mix it before I put the lime in. Okay, mix it pretty good. Let's add the cilantro and lime. And this fried rice, you know, you can save it for the next day. You don't want to mix it if you're not going to eat it all. It's good for a couple of days in the refrigerator, and then kind of heat it up in the microwave or air fryer, or kind of reheat it. My lime. That was a quarter of a lime. It's half of a lime here. There you go. And if you want to add more cilantro, you can, lime. And then season to taste what you like. It should be kind of a little bit salt, sweet, a little bit sour. Fun.